Have you ever wondered why some men manage to carve out a special place in a woman's heart? What is it that makes women think about you repeatedly? This question often lingers in our minds, but what if you discovered that women remember you for specific reasons? Once you understand these reasons, you can capture their attention and secure a lasting place in their hearts. You might think it's all coincidence or fate, but the truth is, certain qualities and actions make women think about you. When you learn about these traits, you'll understand what makes a woman remember you. In this video, we'll explore this topic in detail and reveal what you can do to make a woman remember you. When we delve into women's behavior and mindset, we realize that simply looking good or using sweet words isn't enough to stay in their thoughts. It requires a deeper understanding, which strengthens any relationship. Women remember men who bring balance, security, and love into their lives. It's not always because they were happy with that person. Sometimes they remember someone because of a unique experience or feeling tied to them. We'll discuss the things that make you unforgettable in a woman's memory. 1. Emotional connection. The first and most crucial factor is that women remember men with whom they share an emotional bond. When you connect with a woman on a deeper level, understanding her emotions, thoughts, and fears, she begins to feel that you're a part of her life. This is when she starts remembering you repeatedly. A true and understanding partner listens to her smallest concerns and values them. When you build such a deep connection, she remembers you even without a specific reason. This bond remains strong, even when there's physical distance between you. 2. Independence and confidence. Women are drawn to men who are independent and confident. An independent person makes his own decisions and doesn't rely on others. When you show that you're focused on your goals and working toward your dreams, she admires you even more. During this time, she remembers you more because she sees that you're not just a part of her life, but also value yourself. Your self-reliance attracts her, and when she notices your commitment to achieving something significant, she starts thinking about you even more. 3. A sense of mystery. Women are often more intrigued by men who have an air of mystery. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, her curiosity fades. But when you keep certain aspects of your life private, she becomes more interested in discovering who you truly are and what you want. This curiosity makes her think about you often. It's a psychological dynamic that many overlook. By maintaining a little mystery, you keep her thinking about you, which ultimately makes her remember you. 4. Giving space and freedom. When you give a woman space and independence, she thinks about you more. It's not necessary to call or message her constantly. Sometimes, allowing her freedom and focusing on your own work makes her realize that you respect her personal space. This makes her feel that, despite being a part of your life, she doesn't have to compromise her independence. When she realizes this, she starts missing you more. 5. Creating meaningful moments. Women remember moments that touch their hearts. Small yet meaningful gestures leave a lasting impression. Whether it's a heartfelt compliment or standing by her side during a tough time, these little actions stay in her memory forever. She should feel special around you, and when she recalls these moments, she naturally starts thinking about you. 6. The power of absence. Women feel your absence more when they've spent time with you, and now feel incomplete without you. This absence gives her a chance to realize how much she values you in her life. When you make her feel your importance through your absence, she remembers you even more. If you want a woman to remember you, you only need to connect with her sincerely and genuinely. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends.